Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, optical drive, and base enclosure. Removal. Important: make careful note of the routing of the front speaker and subwoofer cables for later replacement. Remove the front speaker cable from the routing channel on the subwoofer. Disconnect the subwoofer cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the three 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the subwoofer to the top cover. Lift the subwoofer off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Replacement. Place the subwoofer onto the alignment pins on the top cover. Important: ensure that the three rubber isolators are properly seated between the subwoofer and screw standoffs. Replace the three 2mm P1 Phillips broadhead screws that secure the subwoofer to the top cover. Connect the subwoofer cable into its connector on the system board. Route the front speaker cable through the routing channel on the subwoofer.